Hello and welcome to Indian Drives. My name is Yash, and in this video, we bring you this week's news from our automotive industry. Before we begin with this week's news roundup, do click the bell button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you do not miss out on our daily uploads. KTM launches the Adventure 250. KTM India has just launched the Adventure 250 and it is available in two new colors, KTM Electronic Orange and KTM Factory Racing Blue. The new motorcycle has taken cues from rally-spec KTM bikes and it gets a new ultra-lightweight steel frame with a bolt-on subframe. The 250cc engine produces 30 PS of power and 24 Nm of torque. The Adventure 250 gets a slipper clutch and an off-road ABS to enjoy an adventurous riding experience. KTM India has launched the Adventure 250 2022 edition at Rs 2.35 lakhs ex-showroom and is now available across all KTM dealerships in India. Renault India exports 1 lakh cars from India. Renault India does not just manufacture cars for the Indian market but also exports all the production models across its foreign markets. The brand manufactures the Kwid, Triber and the Kiger for Indian markets and exports the same to 14 countries across Asia Pacific, South and East Africa and the Indian Oceanic region. The brand recently achieved a milestone of exporting 1 lakh units from India, and the brand states it will continue to expand its production in India to exhibit the true embodiment of Make in India initiative. Mahindra and Mahindra sells Ssangyong Motors. Mahindra and Mahindra recently shared a statement that Edison Motors, an electric bus manufacturing company based out in Korea, has agreed to acquire the Ssangyong brand from Mahindra. Mahindra had acquired stakes in the Ssangyong brand in 2010 and since then the brand has tried really hard to promote its luxury SUVs like the Rexton and Alturas G4 in the Indian market, but the products did not really translate into sustainable sales figure, and finally last year Mahindra decided to sell the brand after 11 years of ownership. Yezdi motorcycles return with 3 all-new models. Yezdi Motors returns to India after a long gap of 26 years. The brand was renowned in India for its motorcycles, the Monarch, Deluxe and the Road King. It has once again made a comeback in collaboration with the Jawa dealerships and has entered the market with 3 all-new models, the Adventure, Scrambler and the Roadster. The Yezdi Adventure is priced at Rs 2.09 lakhs ex-showroom and can be configured in 3 different shades of color, Slick Silver, Mambo Black and Ranger Camo. The Yezdi Scrambler is priced at Rs 2.04 lakhs ex-showroom and can be configured in 6 different color options at a premium price. And lastly, the Yezdi Roadster is priced at Rs 1.98 lakhs ex-showroom and can be configured in 5 different shades. The pricing for all the 3 motorcycles are bang on considering the competition, and specifically the pricing for the Roadster is going to be one of the biggest USP in promoting its sales. Audi inaugurates charging hub station in Nuremberg. Audi has launched its pilot project of fast charging stations in Germany. Its first station is inaugurated at the Nuremberg Exhibition Center and it offers 6 reservable fast charging points with up to 320 kilowatts of charging power. The hub station will offer its customers an executive lounge with extensive services to enhance their experience while the customer's vehicle is being charged. The brand is accelerating its footmarks in the electric vehicle segment while working on the necessary EV infrastructure. The brand had earlier commented that by 2033 it would stop manufacturing the diesel and gasoline powered vehicles. If you like our content, do like this video as it really makes a difference to us and motivates us to bring you new content every day.